Let us see the backup restore and data folders of Aqura. When you select a company, if you want to backup that company data, click on backup company data. So there are 6 different drives available. So if you are using floppy, then select A, click OK, and take that backup on the floppy. If you are selecting any other like a hard drive, C, click OK. So after the backup is done, Aqura gives message backup completed successfully. So if you want to check the backed up data, verify the backed up data we have taken on a C. If you have taken on a, then select A, click OK. Aqura says the backup matches the company data, so you are sure that your backup taken is proper. If you want to restore the company data, select this restore option from backup menu. Put a floppy of the data in your floppy drive, select that drive letter and select the company of which you want to restore the backup. But the caution is to be taken, the restoring is usually not required. Data restore is used by people only when there is some kind of a disaster happen. It's like your hard disk has gone bad and you have a backed up data on the floppy disks, or you have a backed up data on your pen drive, which is a removable drive. The time what you can do is you can install the Aqura same version. Here the version is written 9.01.007. So it is a 9.01 version of Aqura and 007 is a build number. So install that version from your CD, or if you are downloading from our website www.sadhanasoft.com, download the program and then install it on your new hard disk drive. Then put the floppy or a pen drive, connect the pen drive to the computer and select company and the restore option, not otherwise. If you are backing up a data and restoring, it doesn't make any sense, because anyway the data is already there on your hard drive, so no need to restore data just like that. Now let us understand where Aqura takes backup. When you have given a backup company data command, Aqura has created a folder aqura.bku. Under aqura.bku there are different files. So these files, as you see, abcan000.001 and abcan000.inf. These two files are related to one of the company. So which company? So just remember this name, abcan000, and let us see in the Aqura folder. In Aqura, when you go to select company dialog, here the directory name is written. So abcan.cmp, abcan000.cmp. So this was there in the backup folder. This name file was there, like abcan000.001. It was a backup file, and the data directory is Aqura 9.01. Under that, this directory will be created by Aqura when you create a new company. So abcan000, this relates to abcan company. Now dn paper sale, it has ss____.cmp. This is Swadeshi Bhandar, it has swade.cmp. Let us select Swadeshi company. Okay, and let us take the backup of this particular company in C drive, and let's see which are the files added in the aqura.bku folder. It says backup completed successfully. I'm hitting Alt Tab as my Windows Explorer is there. So here you observe this swade001 and swade-inf, these two files are added. Now it's 12:44 p.m. 26 March. So this is in a backup folder, AQURA.bku. So backup folder name is AQURA.bku. All the backup files are stored into this folder. Now where we have installed AQURA, so usually the default path for AQURA version 9.01 is c:\AQURA 9.01. In this you have installed AQURA. If I click here, all my installation programs like AQURA.exe is seen here. The backup programs, those are seen here. So these are all files. You need not to go to this folder often, but let us understand what these folders are. So as we have seen, swade.cmp was the folder related to Swadeshi company. So if you double click here, so all these files are company data files. Don't ever go to this folder and play with the files. This will affect the data of AQURA. So this is a precaution you need to take, like don't go into browser and play with the data. But it is better to understand where your company data is. Alright.